No money for pay, no money for get back that.
But we may explain to you, make it be a problem from that 2 weeks about now. I'm explain to you. You understand?
Yeah, but it's going to be a problem if me not have the money and I bar people money and they want it back.
But
When me
everything one time. And
like me borrow it from again. Me not have nobody.
TikTok people. You know, sometimes we want a better way of life, but sometimes, let me tell you this, you see the country named Jamaica, I'm telling you already, you know, it's full of whole heap of scammer. Yeah, man, the scammer them come out in all formats. So whether you do this or that, you have to be careful. All right? That's why I do my thing, son, and I will not stop. But anyway, the lady reached out to me and she said, she send much. She send, oh, let me get it right, $120,000 to this man. See? For the work program visa thing. On the screen, yeah. Anyway, she said him send her to deposit the money. Long story short, this is a part 2. If you don't want to see the full video, go over my channel, YouTube, Mix Up Boss. See? So this is a part 2 where she borrow money from people to try get the visa. And the man tell her the procedure she should do and she follow it. She bank the money in the account. One long story. So the man say, thing a hold up. I know she can't get a date. So she said she want back the money. So the man said, in order for you get back the money, you need to give him $80,000 because they make a mistake on a check, which is them sign it off for 200. So all she have to do is send back 80,000 and him send the 200,000 because the check right wrong. But go drive and listen. Listen this.
You understand me? I'm explain everything and tell you.
So where you say explain the me have to pay? Where you say?
Yeah. You have to pay the difference so you can get it. Can you make a mistake with the check? You understand me? So once you pay the difference, you get it back same time. You understand me? That's what will happen.
But me not have the difference to pay, so me not go get back my money then. That you say.
You tell me that already. I'm sending what you said, your request.
Well, you said they would have called me and talk to me. I mean,
I'm telling you something. I'm telling you, you can collect your notice. You understand me? Yeah, I could help you, and I tell you I don't have everything. You understand me? And you say I don't have it. You say that church and so like that. Me understand that I'm not quarrel people. I force with people, and they do have understanding. I say, like you pay difference, you get it back same time. You understand me? That's what I told you, you know.
Yeah, but me I say me not have the difference. I'm me I go get back. Me not have no money for pay, no money for get back that.
But we may explain to you, make it be a problem from that 2 weeks about now. I'm explain to you. You understand?
Yeah, but it's going to be a problem if me not have the money and I bar people money and they want it back. When me I go do.
You don't borrow it and people give back everything one time. And like
me to borrow it from again. Me not have nobody to borrow it from again.
Because I didn't have my friend called help them say find 15 coffee to them say find 15. The other sister called and she cost me. You understand? I will depend that. You understand me? Yeah, you have to pay 30 and 15 can help you, can lend it to you, I will get it back, you give it back to me. Yes, you can't find it at all, I leave it there, sir. Come in and say, go thief, I'm not saying go broke, I'm not saying go rob nobody. No. Come in, why you do that? I do have understanding.
So now I don't know if you do, because I don't want to spot any people that call me for their money and I don't know if you get no more money from to get them. I don't work. So how that I go work and all?
And that's what said to me the other day, I mean, I have no can't over that, you understand me? That's what you said to me. I'm explaining to you. I explain to you. I mean, yeah, what you say, I'm not fighting on that, I'm not understanding. Not understanding.
So I couldn't get a number for them to call them myself and find out with it. Hello?
I wrong number you have, mother.